Southern California hit with a double punch overnight from Tropical Storm Hilary. Live pictures from Reno, Nevada, where the storm is headed next. As the wind and rain moves through, it becomes one of the most powerful earthquakes in decades. Wake Up Charlotte's Jay Gray is in California with the latest.
Hey there, good morning, Sarah. Still a bit of rain here, not nearly as hard as it has been throughout the evening, but take a look behind us here. You can see that the roadway has collapsed under the rushing water earlier in the evening. This is an area that's used to wildfires. They are used to earthquakes. They, though, don't think much about hurricane season, or at least they didn't until this weekend.
Across Southern California, an unprecedented full-on assault from Mother Nature. The entire region under tropical storm watches and warnings for the first time ever. The effects of the storm stretching from the coast through the desert.
This is an event that hasn't happened before in terms of having a tropical storm, that kind of energy, taking a direct hit into San Diego County, so it's something we need to take serious.
Hilary dumping heavy rain, too much, too fast, leading to flash flooding, roads swallowed by the water.
I'm worried about some of the more rural and remote areas in the eastern part of the state, some of the more mountainous regions where people could be trapped.
Trees and power lines pushed over by gusting winds. This rock slide, a result of soil washed away by rushing waters. A 5.1 magnitude earthquake in Ventura County. The two events, according to seismologists, not connected.
Yeah, only in Southern California can you have an earthquake and hurricane storm, and not to mention a 5,500 acre brush fire in Santa Barbara yesterday. What's next?
Most hoping for a return to California's sunshine so things can dry out and they can start to clean up the mess Hilary leaves behind.
Now, forecasters say things should clear up by at the latest midday here, and that will allow teams to get into some of the harder hit areas and fully assess the damage. In Santa Clarita, I'm Jay Gray for Wake Up Charlotte.